Hey groomers, Tyler here out of Colorado. Wanted to show you something about the when you get messages from people trying to sell you stuff. This guy Hanzo Shears Hanzo messaged me asking if I was a groomer. I told him I was, which I used to be, so it wasn't quite a lie. But he's telling me he has scissors for sale for dog grooming. And the first thing, Hanzo, not to my knowledge, makes dog grooming scissors. They might be, but I'm not too sure. So here's a bunch of colorful scissors they're not very good. Definitely not Hanzo. And for those of you who don't know what Hanzo is, they are a very high-end, very high price point scissor, as you can see. So we're scrolling through. So far, nothing less than 500 bucks. Oh, 487. That's the cheapest one. 487. Yep. And the other thing take notice too is there's no color on any of these scissors, because the color, unless it's a very, very expensive scissor, the color kind of ruins the quality, and it's there to cover up defects and make it more appealing to buy. So anyway, Hanzo scissors, no color, nothing lower than $487. So let's go back to the message. And then he's selling it at a set of 4 for 250 bucks. And now with this kind of quality scissor, you can buy something like this, see, off Amazon for a whopping $39. Oh, Amazon's got all these different colors of them too. So it's the same crap. These scissors aren't going to last very long. They're not very good. They might not even work when you get them. So yeah, be very careful where you're spending your money. Buy from a sharpener. Buy from a brand that you see at trade shows. I mean, how many times have you guys had Kenchi or Utsumi or any of the major scissor brands or whatever come message you? You don't, because they don't need to. People are buying their scissors because we know they're all reputable brands and they stand behind their product. But when people message you to sell you stuff like this, you don't know who they are. It's all lies. He was telling me it's Hanzo and Japanese steel, both lies. And then I said I don't see him on the website, and he avoided that question. Then I kind of played around with him, saying they look colorful. I heard colored scissors aren't the best. He avoided that question too, and just went on with trying to sell me stuff and give me free stuff to entice me to buy. So anyway, just watch out for these guys. It's a ripoff, and I just don't want to see any of you folks saying you spent $250 on this kind of scissor set when you could go to Amazon, like I showed you, and buy this set for $40. Now, I don't recommend it at all. Maybe for a home groomer, like a mom or dad that cuts the mats out of dogs. But even then, the scissors, you're gambling when you're buying this stuff. But anyway, I'm starting to ramble on. Be careful. If you have any questions about this stuff, shoot me a message. Shoot your sharpener a message. I'm sure they would love to help you out and guide you in the right direction. So I hope this helps some of you, and I hope everyone has a great week. Bye.